Okay, well, we're going to create a video wall, and you can see here I have 16 clips of students doing goofy stuff. And the most important part is, and I'll show you in a second, but each clip has to be at least 5 seconds. So you can see down here on the timeline I have my 16 clips. I have chroma keyed out the green and just put in a solid blue background. And also I have removed the sound by just turning the sound down. Now I want them all to be 5 seconds long. And so if I click on one of the clips, you can see this one is exactly 5 seconds long. Go to the next one, click on it, and you'll notice that it is 5.5 seconds and 1 frame because it's set at 24 frames per second. So I want to change them so they're all exactly 5 seconds. Also, you'll notice that a couple of my clips were shorter and I had to put in a hold. So that's what that is. And remember, you use the retime button here and click on hold to put hold in. So here we go. We want to change them all to 5 seconds. So I select all of the clips. I actually have to click on the clips and do Control click, click, and do change duration. And then I simply type in 5 period, which is 5 seconds. And I hit return. And now all of my clips are exactly 5 seconds. Make sure my blue lines up so it's all there. And now I'm going to share my movie. So share, and I'm going to just do a master file. So that keeps it in a QuickTime format and all is good. So I'm going to just call this clip video wall, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. Okay, now that we've created our movie that has 16 individual clips, 5 seconds long, all edited together in one movie, I'm going to come into Final Cut. I'm going to make sure it's at the same resolution, so broadcast 720 HD, and it's only going to be 5 seconds long, so I can change that, and it's only going to be 24 frames a second, so that's all good. And so I can say OK, open. And now I can import my movie. And it's called Video Wall. And here it is. Let's go to Fit so we can see what's going on. And now I want to, now I want to replicate. So I come here to replicate. And now you will see over here, we'll turn on the inspector. And we want the number of columns to be 4. And the number of rows to also be 4. And then we're going to bump down the scale. And then we're going to stretch out how it fits on the screen. I'm going to just zoom out here so I can see where it fits on the screen. There we go. Okay, and we're going to increase the scale of the clips. So we want them all to be as large as possible, but then not, we want to have a little space in between them. It's 23, 24. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now the next problem is here, of course, we have them all running at the same, they're all starting at the same place. So first of all, we're going to change the origin from center to upper left. And then we're going to have them build by row. Okay, so we have them all here in the same starting point. So down here in the source frame offset, we have to change that. And to do that, remember we set the frame rate at 24. We have 5 seconds, so that's 120. And now you'll see all of the different clips are there, which looks really good actually. Let's just quickly scrub through that. Okay, and there's our video wall. Now when we're done, we're going to again come up here to share. You can come up and go Share, Apple Devices, Apple TV, and we can say next.